Dear students, you all know how to open the MS Access. So first of all you have to click here start, then all programs, then from here you have to select the MS Office, then MS Access. Here you will get the list of all those database you have already made and saved with 15 records, as I told you in the previous classes that you have to make one database and you have to add at least 15 to 20 records in each database file. So these are the files that you have already saved in your computer. Now we will see how we will make the relationship between the two tables. Let us proceed now. First of all, you have to select the table which you want to use to make the relationship. When you click there, the table student will be opened and the contents of table will be displayed here. See. Then after that you have to go to the database tool. Here at the first line in the menu option, here database tools are there. There you have to click on the relationship. Here when you click the relationship, so here the tables will be there, and when you click the relationship, so as I already made the relationship between the two tables, therefore it is showing you the relationship. But now I delete all this thing and I will do it anew for you. Again you have to click on the relationship, and here you have to select your file. Then again you click on the relationship table. Then here when you click in any field, you will get this dialog box. Here you have to click create new. So from the left hand side table you have to select which field or which table you want to take as a primary key. So student, from right table name it is student 1, and left column name, that means field 1, and here you want to make the relationship with the field 3 or field 2 of the second. So all these things you have to set. See, left hand side table name, then right hand side table name, then left column name, then the right column name, then you have to click on the OK. So this type of edit relationship dialog box appear, and here if you want to edit anything then you can edit, otherwise you have to click on the OK. When you click OK, see the relationship like this, you will get the relationship. So we have already selected the table 2 times, therefore here you are seeing the 2 lines, that means 2 times it is got related with each other, therefore it is showing the 2 lines of relationship. In this way you can make the relation between the two tables in MS Access. And if you want to edit any relationship, then you have to just click on any table 2 times, then the edit relationship dialog box appear. From here you can change the table name, then related fields you can select, again the new fields and new table you can select, and you have to click here on the create new, as I shown you in just before how to create the relationship. So like this you can edit your relationship also in your MS Access. So now we will learn how to create a query in the table. So let us see what are the steps to create the query in the table. So first of all you have to go to, first of all your table should be open like this. Your student table is already open here. Then you have to go to create, then from the menu you will get the query design. Here you have to click. When you click there, one new dialog box show table will be appeared. From here you have to select the student table, double click. When you double click there, and after selecting the table, first of all you have to close it. Then all the fields of student table will be displaying here. From here you have to select the fields for the query. So first I am selecting the field 1. So now you see field 1 is selected here, and one down arrow is also here. You can select another field if you want. You can change the field also. Then click on the second column, then you click another field here. When you click here you will get the second field. Here when you double click there you can sort it ascending or descending. For example, if we are selecting the descending order, then you click here, then click on the right. So when you click there, in your this tabs option at the last, you will get one new tab, that is the copy of the table. Here you will get the answer of your query. See what we have selected there, the answer we will get here. That type of answer we will get here. So we have selected there all thing ascending or maybe descending, whatever you are selected, that type of answer you will get in your query. It will be displayed like your Excel sheet. See, columns are, you can see here. So now how to create the multiple criteria. So first of all you have selected here your ID field, then you can select it as ascending. Then in second you can select the field 1. Here you can make it descending. Then third you can select the field 2. You can also select it as a descending. Then when you click here, after selecting all the things, again you have to go to the menu option, and here one run command is there. Here you have to click there, then you will get the answer of your query. See, first, then second, how many times you have selected, that type of answer you will get here. And here also you will get sort smallest to the largest, largest to the smallest, or if any filter you want, you select you select all the things, and if you want only the 4 number to be showed, then you click there. So only the 4 number will be shown. Okay, see, when you click OK, the records having only the 4 number will be displayed here. Then again you click there, then you select all, then click OK there. After selecting all, you will get back all the records. Like this type you can create the multiple relationship and the filter among the records in your MS Access. So this is practically how you can do this. I showed you. So you have to do practically in your computer and try it and insert at least 10 to 15 records, then you will get the good answers and you can understood what are the queries and how to set the multiple relationship between the queries. Thank you.